was your Chief Justice, he wants some your mammy to Konu Gertrude. Still, now you go to a kaka once a ma UK for a back capital will be a cabin. My men acquire my first was suspended no episanyan family pass into months every state. Every for tactics of who you should plan. I just say, Father, emfa. But the bomb more than be and 2 say free time. Must start this case somewhere February, March. If say indeed mommy we di bonia nka 8 months so 6 months committee ben findings ben na committee no ya basis abria mo say na da bia wo committee nsem na wo committee nsem no ya twan report 6 months down the line intimi from report no man I just said I didn't on person who did not so edi maame no is o maya o mo nhyɛ da enya bi na maame no so na adwene say until so wo beka say we no because we're challenging this suspension on so many different platforms. I even wako ECOWAS, ako Supreme Court, nina wakano mabo bet. So benye bibi opinion na business se kwa yede na ne Captain Smart aba akwa kofa documents nina documenta the petition and go for the Kodan president and nam so krama president so referma committee cabinet ministry committee abusuamo so hwehwehwe mu no ne Captain Smart edi aba to dwa o tiri se adene de ohwema nyansa bia enhye da eni ensem na o ma tro petition ni mu ne ende na o moye mu hwehwe mu no because o kind document na Captain Smart tiri mu na abusuan akwa ese nsem ni nyina normal ade no wrongdoing ma me no onye hwe just any judgment be on some cases be NDC for no feel is bias because na mo for binum involved and no person mo digina so no mo ka say oh ma me no case we ban in sem no na what when din ye when you say on judges no ye or no mo bias and a whole lot of person mo kikabo mana I'm the penny man down, but it is not enough. Ne Captain Smart, or baby drum a go almost so palm against 7 in Ebron at the Brennian good teen in 7 week. We are watch our comment session. I say, Tvghana said, no by a channel, no so. Or what is over like in our share stories and
before Justice Gabriel Scott Pamine JSC on a chairman, Justice Samuel Kwame Abidu Asiedu JSC member, Mr. Daniel Yao Domlevo member. I don't know the Major Flora Banzawanuba Adalugo or a member, and Professor James Sefa Jisa or a member, all sitting at Accra. The case is between Daniel Ofori, the petitioner. Abantiana Ocho Krata and say, producer ya dear papa, Pamhoya Nampe. Oma, in some way, Naje Kraino, the friend of Daniel Ofori, and Gertrude Isaba Saki Tokunu, our yet respondents. Krataye Kutaminu ye the final addresses filed for and on behalf of the petitioner.
He is smart.
Daniel Ofori.
Captain Smart.
But 405 paragraphs also. Because you came once a man. Why I did 3 days. Mr. Producer, on your marks, get set, ready, go. Young copy, paragraph 231. Maybe Ruli wa hand to Ruli. Yako Yamiti.
He is smart. He is unique.
Paragraph 231. I want to be sure. It's a washer. With the reason for the submission made above is based on the law that salaries and allowances payable and the facilities and privileges available to the Chief Justice and other justices of the Superior Court of Adjudicature as Article 71 appointees is determined by the President and on the recommendations of Article 71 committee. Now, look paragraph 232. And so asemoho 233 asemoho 234 and one abronye versus Attorney General case omo year reference and afi honorable Roxanne Nelson Dafiamakpo and 2 others also versus the Attorney General. And also paragraph 235 and so Kwame Bafo Abonyi ya case here and also now what about paragraph 236 we and no do baby Dafiamakpo de no who see does the travel policy justify the payment men kind and enchero na ya call 237 238 239 240 241 ubekwa sa na apeno ubekwa kodu baby conclusion says I'm the tree no and your paragraph 256 conclusion on count 1 to 3 ubekwa koto no on the submission so far made. The expenditure made from public funds to pay for the Chief Justice's holidays, together with her spouse and daughter, the per diems paid to them, and also the interest were illegal, as it is unconstitutional. I am repeating. You know, be anti-be pen this. On the submission so far made, the expenditure made from public funds to pay for the Chief Justice's holidays, together with her spouse and daughter, the per diems paid to them, and also the interest were illegal, as it is unconstitutional. It is therefore of no moment that the Judicial Secretary administers the funds, or that the Chief Justice does not buy tickets, or it is a signatory to the Judicial Service. It is further submitted, although the charge in count 3 contends that she failed to retire the interest, if the payments for the Chief Justice's private holiday travel expenses are contrary to law, no other payments, including the interest, can be lawful. Oh, hear me? In this regard, it is completely irrelevant that this charge focuses on the timing of retirement of the interest. Once there is evidence that the payment is not sanctioned by law, the committee is bound to take the point and make a finding on it. That is the law. Paragraph 5258. It is also submitted that even in the context of judicial proceedings, the point that unless a party has been given the opportunity to respond to a particular matter, no finding should be made against them is subject to 2 exceptions. These exceptions are that if the court in this case, the committee had before it all the facts or materials bearing upon the contention being taken by its Omacho a lawyer for Brofunbio, Sio Mutu, and 2, the point was such that no satisfactory or meaningful explanation or legal contention could be advanced by the party against whom the point was being taken if an opportunity was given him to present an explanation or legal argument.
He is
But
smart.
baby, interference and tampering with judicial proceedings. Interference and tampering with judicial proceedings. As already submitted, this charge is stated in count 4, 5, 15, 16 of the petition. Evidence on the Chief Justice's interference with judicial proceedings was given by 1. Registrar for Kaswa of Angkor District Court. He appeared before the committee. He appeared before the committee. So by PW1. The acting judicial secretary, who appeared before the committee and labeled as PW6. Deputy Director, ICT/E-Justice, who also appeared before the committee and became PW9. 4. Secretary to the General Legal Counsel, PW10. Court Manager, PW13. Secretary to the General Legal Counsel, RW2. Count 4 and 5. The charges in these counts deal with Jachikwesin's case. The charges have to do with the way the Chief Justice handled the complaint of missing records in the proceedings of 19th July 2024. The testimonies of PW6, PW9, and PW13 are relevant to the charges above titled. Paragraph 262. The facts relating to the charges made in count 4 and 5 are agreed by both the petitioner and the Chief Justice. The facts are documented and undisputed. It is the legal effect of the actions taken based on the established facts that require discussion. Paragraph 263. The evidence establishes that the Chief Justice was formally notified of the missing records by letter dated 26 July 2023, Exhibit U4, before the Committee of Inquiry, by Justice Mary Mame Ekuya Yenzu, who presided over Jachikwesin's case. In her letter, she informed the Chief Justice that the court recorders were unable to retrieve court proceedings for the 19th of July 2023. This document was tendered in evidence by PW6. Paragraph 264. In making the report to the Chief Justice, Justice Yenzu acted on a memorandum from the Deputy Director, ICT/E-Justice, dated 26 July 2023, that court proceedings for the 19th of July 2023 had disappeared. Exhibit Z.
Captain Smart. Captain Smart.
Latter document was tendered in evidence by PW13, who also tendered in evidence other documents which confirmed without any doubt whatsoever that there was an issue about the record of proceedings of 19th July 2023. These documents are the kind of documents we are meant to assume. By latest, by Tuesday 1 p.m. I hear the Friday. But the Friday is show because of
morning shows.
Nana Mejako.
He is smart.
Process. Okay. A letter dated 1st March 2024 from the Registrar of the General Jurisdiction of the High Court informing counsel for the prosecution in Jachikwesin's case that his request for the records of proceedings of 19 January 2023 in the said could not be retrieved. 2. The memorandum from the Deputy Director, ICT/E-Justice, dated 26 July 2023 to Justice Yenzu, Exhibit Z1. A memorandum from the Court Manager to the Chief Justice, dated 27 July 2023, informing the Chief Justice, based on Exhibit Z, that although the proceedings of 19 January 2023 had been found, they had not been doctored. Hey! And 7-day Ghana. This our Ghana.
Morning shows.
4. A memo to the same effect as Exhibit Z1, Exhibit Z2A. 5. A memorandum from the Chief Justice to the Judicial Secretary and others dated 11th October 2023, informing them that a report had implicated Francis Bedin and Adjoa Boatema Prempeh in connection with the missing proceedings of 19 July 2023, and that the latter be queried and removed from courtroom duties. Exhibit Z3.
He is smart.
6. A memorandum from the Judicial Secretary to the Court Manager dated 12 October 2023, informing Court Manager that Chief Justice had directed that Adjoa Boatema Prempeh be relieved of her duties in the courtroom. 7.
Smart.
Correspondence dated 12 October 2023 from the Court Manager to Adjoa Boatema, informing her that she had been reassigned as process clerk. Exhibit Z5. Final on the said document. Memorandum from the Court Manager dated 16th October 2023, informing the Judicial Secretary that Adjoa Boatema Prempeh had been reassigned. Now, there being no dispute about the fact that there was an issue regarding the missing records and the steps taken in relation to the matter, it is submitted that the interference, the subject of counts 4, 5, and 6, raised 3 main questions. These are whether the involvement of the officials of the NSB, National Signals Bureau, in the context of the missing proceedings was lawful. 1, 2, causing the arrest of the court officials implicated in the missing records matter was lawful. And 3, the refusal to inform the accused person of the steps being taken to retrieve the missing records is proper. And to judge in case ni na no, do baby no. Now no one in some of the court. The abet me a board man can who are told na no. Yes, I
Ajeta.
The academy fan can home. Yama ya home up to Nana Manti. Friday. Up to Friday. Na Samnesi. All other things being equal, but if I win count.
Captain Smart.
Katani a bit confidential. So the other part of it. You basically see we are. Yeah, no better.